Earlier this year, I got a solar shower bag, but I don't have a private area to use it. So today, we're setting up a portable shower tent so I can get clean while I'm working around the farm. And this shower tent comes shipped to your door with everything you need to take a shower as well. Inside the box, you have a 5-gallon shower bag, and then your shower tent. The shower bag comes with a hanging bar, hose, and nozzle. Then the shower tent comes in a nice carrying bag, so you can easily bring it with you. Setup is quick and painless. First, I filled the shower bag up with water, put the cap on, and laid it out black side up in direct sunlight to begin heating up. Next, take out the tent, untie the straps, and unroll the tent. Wrapped up inside, you can find a tarp, the support rods, and your rain guard. To get started, build all your support rods and then lay out the tent. Find the center connection piece and click the support rod into one of the sides. Follow that down to the end of the tent, connecting it to the hooks along the way. Repeat that for the other sides, and the tent will begin to take shape. Then stake down the corners and lock it in place. Make sure it's sturdy, and then put down the tarp on the floor of the tent so your feet won't get muddy. Now you can put on the rain guard, but I like being able to have some breeze and look up at the sky while I shower. It has a hook on the ceiling to hold your shower bag, as well as a zippable window and a strap to hold your towel or clothes. And it's made out of a waterproof material, and it's thick enough that others can't see you from the outside, giving you some much needed privacy. And now our shower bag is heated up and ready to go. But the first thing I noticed was the weight of the water was causing the handle to stretch. So if you want to use the bag long term, I wouldn't fully fill it up. I already have a heavy duty shower bag, but needed a tent to shower in. So this bag will be a nice backup. But for the purpose of this video, we're fully going to test the provided bag. The front of the bag has a nozzle that you can turn on or off, as well as a spot to connect your hose. Slide the hose onto the nozzle and then open the water flow. Then hot water starts coming out of the spray head. I collected some water, and my digital thermometer said it was over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that's pretty awesome. The 5 gallons of water gives you about a 5-minute shower. Not to mention, it's nice and warm the whole time. The only downside I've seen is that the hose to the shower bag was shipped folded up. This means it easily kinks. But if you keep it hanging below the bag, it has pretty decent water pressure. So I have to bend over below the bag to get the best water flow. However, I'll mainly be using this to wash my feet and hands while I'm out working on the farm. I've also considered bathing the dogs in here. It'd be the perfect height for them. It would also be perfect to bring to the beach and wash the sand off your feet. And for me, I'm thinking about finding a way to hang the bag in the tree above the tent and have the hose come through the roof. This way I'll have constant hot water pressure and can easily shower. It would also be a nice place to put a camping toilet for those moments that you're away from the bathroom. All in all, I'm really happy with my shower tent and going to be using it a lot. And the shower bag works great for quick cleanups. And for me, will be a perfect backup. So if you're looking for a little privacy to take a shower, or a duke, this shower tent might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go freshen up in the shower. Outside. See ya.